Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope all is well and auspicious. I'm going to show a question or show us how to answer a question related to Surds by request of somebody. And just before I start, I would like to celebrate 100 subscribers. It's a very nice benchmark for me, but also thank you very much for having supported and keep the requests coming in. If you guys have questions for videos, then I fulfill requests. I've got loads of videos made, and I will keep that going. Let us go into the question. Let me just choose a blue pen. Okay, so firstly, you want to show that 1 over root 2 plus root 2 is equal to root 2 over 3. Well, if I were to multiply the top and bottom by the square root of 2 times the square root of 2, the top part becomes, well, root 2, because root 2 times 1 is just root 2. Anything times 1 is itself. Over, then we have root 2 multiplied by 1 over root 2, which is root 2 over root 2, plus, and then root 2 times root 2 is 2. So that becomes root 2 all over, or anything divided by itself, so root 2 divided by root 2 is going to be 1 plus 2. And then that's going to give us root 2 over 3. Happy days. Let's go on to the next question. So next question is 2 over 1 over root 3 plus 1 is equal to 3 minus root 3. Well, first of all, let's get rid of the fact that we've got a fraction within a fraction. So if we multiply the top by root 2, and if we multiply the bottom by root 2, then the top becomes, or not root 2 rather, root 3. Haha! Root 3, that makes more sense because you've got the root 3's that we want to get rid of. We have 2 root 3 all over, and then we have root 3 times 1 over root 3, which becomes root 3 over root 3, plus root 3 times 1 is root 3, and that becomes 2 root 3 all over, well, root 3 by root divided by root 3. Again, anything divided by itself is going to be 1, so that's going to be 1 plus root 3. Now, we can rationalize this denominator in the same way that we would rationalize other denominators that appear in such a form. So we'd multiply by the denominator, but except changing that sign in the middle. So we multiply by 1 minus root 3. And then here we multiply this by, as well, 1 minus root 3. Okay, so the top part, well, you have 2 root 3 multiplied by 1, which is 2 root 3. Then 2 root 3 multiplied by minus root 3. Well, first of all, root 3 times root 3 is going to give you 3. And then times that by 2 is going to give you 6. So you have minus 6. Then it's all over. Here it's the double bracket expansion. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times minus root 3 is minus root 3. Then you have root 3 times 1, which is plus root 3. And then you have root 3 times minus root 3, which is minus 3. And then simplifying, we get 2 root 3 minus 6 all over. Well, the minus root 3 and the plus root 3 cancel. Then you have 1 minus 3 is minus 2. And then just to simplify this, well, I can divide both the top parts, the 2 root 3 and the minus 6, by minus 2. So 2 root 3 divided by minus 2 is going to give you minus root 3. And minus 6 divided by minus 2 is going to give you plus 3. And then I can just rewrite that as 3 first, then minus root 3. Happy days! That is what we were trying to get to. Okay, so here I've just provided a way to explain how to do these questions just with my thought processes. Hopefully this is intelligible and easy to follow. Let me know in the comments if maybe there's another way that you would have done this. Okay, and just before we go, just to subscribe to this lovely growing page, and of course you can ask and make requests for videos that you would like to see. That's it. Take care, guys.